since I've moved to Texas, I've started growing a few additional plants that I hadn't grown before and some that I wasn't really all that familiar with. And I would say that this is probably my favorite native Texas plant right now, aside from like Sabal mexicana or Sabal minor, Sabal brazoriensis. But as far as like a deciduous or like a shrub, this is it. This is Turk's cap, and it's named for the bright red flowers that are very hibiscus looking. It's Malvaviscus arboreus. Variety is drummondii, and they really help to brighten up this dry shade. Instead of looking at a bare trunk from the oak tree, we got these with these really awesome red hibiscus-like flowers, and they have a real sort of electric neon kind of color to them. Maybe I need to get it a little bit closer here. And you can see it's like an unopened hibiscus flower. Maybe I'll put up a couple photos because it seems to be a little bit tricky, but these things grow pretty big. Right now they're about 6 feet tall. These were 4 cuttings from last year that I got. Not even plants, just 4 cuttings. Put into pots, and as soon as they started to show growth, planted them out, and here we are. They do go deciduous in colder areas. Last winter they went deciduous for me. They actually died to the ground, but they are very root hardy. You can see this one here has some new flower buds, and all the plant is edible, and it's hardy from zone 7 through 10, so really adaptable. It can grow in quite a bit of sun. I think it does best in your part shade, maybe even part sun, but I have seen it out in full sun. What happens is the leaves take a different shape and they tend to be a little bit more yellow. So that is my favorite. It flowers. Started flowering maybe like 2 or 3 weeks ago, and will continue to flower until frost. They do get leggy, so you can trim them back. I'm probably gonna start trimming these back, but they just started flowering. It's kind of why I don't want to. And they do self-seed. Got some volunteers in here, which is fantastic because I'm going to use these in other areas of my garden. This is a very easy plant to find. They sell it at the grocery store. They sell it, just about anywhere, and for good reason. So you might want to try that one if you can find it. And there are different varieties. You can get ones that are pink. I don't know if there's a white, but there's a pink for sure. I'm also growing a different species. There are a number of species. I'm also growing a Mexican one, and that gets bigger. I have it in more sun, but really cool, bright pops of color.